It's possible to not only print an individual pick list, invoice or label for an order, but also to bulk print. So using the app here, we have 100 orders and we haven't started doing anything with them yet. If you use the action button on an order, you can see you can print an individual invoice or pick list just for that one order. If you'd like to do things in bulk, you need to use the selection checkboxes down here. So to begin with, you can scroll through your orders and select them manually like this. If you want to search for a particular order or a particular item in an order, you can use the filter box up here as well to filter your orders. And once you start selecting orders using the checkboxes, you'll notice that a bulk actions button appears at the top of the grid. So that's what you use to do a bulk action. So if we wanted to select 3 orders here that we'd like to process, the other thing you'll notice is that when you start selecting orders, another tab will appear here that you can click on that will just show the orders that you've selected. So deselecting orders will obviously change this tab, and selecting an order again will move it back into this tab here. So it's a little bit easier to keep track of where you're up to. Once we've selected those 3 orders, we can then use the bulk actions menu. We may want to print up 3 invoices for those orders, send them to the printer using the print button. You can do the same for pick lists. And if we wanted to bulk pay and print our labels right now, then we can use the pay and print labels button. Just note that you might have to check your payment settings and payment options in the carrier setup before you bulk pay and print. So for this example, we're not going to do a pickup. We just want to drop these orders off at a post office. So we'll wait for Australia Post to generate our labels for us. You can see we've got our tracking numbers now. And here are the PDFs for our 3 labels. So we have a standard post, an express post, and an international order. They've been completed. So now the only thing left for these 3 orders is to fulfill them. So the fulfillment process can also be done in bulk. That can be done anytime, either later in the day or after you pay and print your labels. The fulfill orders process will update the order in Shopify. It will add the tracking number in, and it will create a fulfillment. And so that means that our 100 orders that are waiting to be processed here will drop down to 97, and we've fulfilled those 3 orders. So if we refresh our orders list here, the most recent 3 are now fulfilled, and we can see that they've had a tracking number assigned to them in the order. That's it. So that's how you do bulk invoices, pick lists and labels in the MyPost app for Shopify. If you've got any other queries, we have lots more help videos in our YouTube channel, and you can also check out the help section in the app as well.